Hi everyone! Today I'm going to cook a vegetable dish which is called long beans with XO sauce and minced meat. Long beans are also known as snake beans in the Asian grocery store. So what is XO sauce? I used to think that it was made of alcohol, but clearly it isn't. It has its name derived from XO sauce because it's quite luxurious. It is made up of three key main ingredients, which are dried shrimp, dried scallops, and dried fish, amongst other ingredients. It also has dried chilli, which makes it quite spicy. So what we're going to do today is a stir-fry dish. In the restaurants, they double fry it and actually deep fry the vegetables first, so it tastes extremely yummy. But because we are kind of health conscious, we are just going to stir fry it once. So here are all my ingredients which we are going to be using today. So here we have 250 grams of minced meat. I have decided to use chicken today, but you can use pork or turkey. And I will marinate the meat with some minced garlic, sesame oil, oyster sauce, dark caramel sauce, Chinese wine, and corn flour, which is a thickening agent. After that, we are going to be chopping the snake beans into 1 inch. Make sure that you actually remove the top and the bottom. This is the star of the dish, which is XO sauce. It will go in last before we take out the vegetables.